Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fahameurbic YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn singular plural in Arabic language by adding waw noon or ya noon in the end of a masculine singular. We can make masculine plural. Waw noon comes in subjective form while ya noon comes in objective form. Some of its examples are here. The first word is Muslimun, 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 एक मुसलमान मर्द. In subjective form, its plural is Muslimuna, Muslimuna, Muslimuna. In objective form, its plural is Muslimina, Muslimina, Muslimina. The second word is Mu'minun, Mu'minun, एक मोमिन मर्द. In subjective form, it is Mu'minuna, Mu'minuna, Mu'minuna. In objective form, it is Mu'minina, Mu'minina, Mu'minina. The next word is Qari'un, 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 पढ़ने वाला या क़िरात करने वाला एक मर्द. In subjective form, its plural is Qari'una, Qari'una, Qari'una. In objective form, its plural is Qari'ina, Qari'ina, Qari'ina. The next word is Salihun, 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 एक नेक मर्द. In objective form, its plural is Salihina, Salihina, Salihina. In subjective form, its plural is Salihuna, Salihuna, Salihuna. The next word is Aqilun, 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 एक अक्लमंद मर्द. In subjective form, its plural is Aqiluna, Aqiluna, Aqiluna. In objective form, its plural is Aqilina, Aqilina, Aqilina. The last word is Nasirun, 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 मदद करने वाला एक मर्द. In objective form, its plural is Nasirina, Nasirina, Nasirina. In subjective form, its plural is Nasiruna, Nasiruna, Nasiruna. Our today's lesson ends here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe this channel and also share this video. Jazakallah.